Arrive in style with this Ford 2016 Explorer Limited. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are navigation system, BLIS Plus inflatable rear safety belts package, equipment group 301A, 12 speakers, AM/FM radio, Sirius XM, CD player, premium audio system, Sony, radio data system and radio, Sony audio system with single CD MP3 capable. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.